Summer scent of the day. Ito si Volair Arctic Breeze. Okay, so si Volair Arctic Breeze, we bought this a couple of weeks ago and the price is around 1,000 pesos. And actually, this is one of my favorite perfumes out of all of my collection. I've been wearing this a lot recently and as you can see, medyo boss na siya. It's just a couple of weeks. And for the price of 1,000 pesos, you get this very nice bottle, parang, you know, the perfume that it's duping off. And it's very cute. Okay, you wouldn't imagine this is just worth that amount. Okay, and in terms of the performance of Arctic Breeze, alright, spray muna natin siya actually. Alright, dalawang spray sa ating left wrist. Ang opening nito ni Arctic Breeze is parang halo siya ng pagka citrus ni bergamot, orange, ambroxan, tea, and as well as may konting cinnamon. Alam mo yon, yung parang may imagine mo to yung uminom ka ng house blend iced tea from Jerry's, from KFC, from Wendy's. Tapos nasa beach ka, nasa ilalim ka ng coconut tree. Yan yung amoy ng opening neto ni Arctic Breeze. And actually hanggang sa dry down niya, naamoy mo pa rin yung pagka-citrusy niya. Very mild na lang yung citrusy niya. And mas lalabas yung tea notes, yung pagka-tsaa na amoy. So para ka pa rin, you know, nakainom ng fresh na house blend tea. Yan. So, yan, napaka-soothing, napaka-refreshing yung amoy nito. Alright? And in terms of the performance naman nito ni Arctic Breeze, first 2 hours, yan, ang ganda ng projection, maamoy ka within probably around 2 feet away from you. And then, on the 4th hour, yan, nagsisimula na siyang medyo maging skin scent. And up until 6 to 8 hours, andyan pa rin naman siya sa skin mo. Alright? So, naamoy mo pa rin siya. Hanggang sa dulo ng work hours mo. Okay, hanggang sa pag-uwi mo actually. Actually, sa shirt, ito, from 2 p.m. this morning or this afternoon, around 2:30, nung winare ko tong pabangon to, up until now, almost 1 a.m. na, naamoy ko pa rin siya. Malakas pa rin yung amoy ni Arctic Breeze. Now, when can you wear this? This can be worn pagka lalabas ka, especially sa ating weather ngayon na summer. Very appropriate tong pabangon to. You can wear this if you're gonna do errands, punta ka na school, punta ka ng beach, punta ka ng office, you know. Not really something na makaka-offend ng mga tao kahit na i-overspray mo siya. Right? So for me, if I'd like for people to smell the perfume that I'm wearing, I just have to probably reapply this on the 5th to 6th hour para maganda pa rin yung projection niya. Alright? So, yun lang. As mentioned, this is one of the perfumes that I really like amongst all of my perfumes that I have. And, you know, something that you might want to consider, considering that the price is just around 1,000 pesos. This is still available in your marketplace apps and you know, other apps that you know, you do shopping for. Okay, so yun na muna ang ating review for Arctic Breeze by Volair. If you have any questions, suggestions on any perfumes that you'd like for me to review, please leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to answer your comment or your questions. Alright, so thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again soon. Bye!